What if the smartest way to get rich was to vanish from the spotlight? No flashy cars, no designer logos, just quiet moves that build unstoppable wealth. The loudest person in the room often has the least to show, but the quiet ones? They're stacking assets, dodging drama, and winning in silence. This video isn't about hiding, it's about mastering the art of invisible success. If you want to build wealth without painting a target on your back, lean in. Stealth wealth starts with restraint, not just spending less, but signaling less. You don't need to prove your success with luxury brands or expensive upgrades. In fact, the richest people often look average on purpose. They drive reliable cars, wear simple clothes, and avoid status traps. Why? Because every flashy purchase invites attention, envy, and pressure. Living below your signals means choosing peace over performance. It's not just frugality, it's strategic invisibility. You're not hiding your wealth, you're protecting it. The less people know, the freer you are to move, invest, and grow without interference. Think of it like a lion in the grass, quiet, powerful, and untouchable. Most people chase applause, you chase assets. That's the stealth wealth mindset. While others post about their new car or vacation, you're quietly buying index funds, rental properties, or building a business. Assets don't scream, they compound. The trick is to invest in things that grow silently. No one needs to know you own a duplex or have a six-figure portfolio. That's the beauty. You're not performing for likes, you're building for freedom. Every dollar you invest is a seed, and while others chase butterflies, you're cultivating a forest. The applause will come later, when you're financially untouchable and emotionally free. Until then, let your assets speak for you. Quietly. Stealth wealth thrives on privacy. Not secrecy, just intentional silence. You don't need to share your salary, net worth, or investment wins. In fact, the less people know, the safer you are. Financial privacy protects you from judgment, manipulation, and unwanted advice. It also gives you control. You decide who gets access to your financial story. Think of your wealth like a vault, secure, quiet, and off limits. You can still be generous, still help others, but without broadcasting your balance sheet. Privacy isn't about isolation. It's about sovereignty. When your financial life is private, your decisions are cleaner, your relationships are healthier, and your growth is uninterrupted. Guard your vault. Share your values, not your numbers. Every time your income rises, the world tempts you to inflate your lifestyle. Bigger house, fancier car, flashier vacations. But stealth wealth means resisting that urge. You climb higher, but you don't flaunt it. Lifestyle inflation is a trap disguised as progress. It feels like success, but it drains your future. Instead, keep your expenses stable while your income grows. That gap, it's your wealth engine. The wider it gets, the faster you build freedom. Avoid the golden ladders. They look impressive but lead nowhere. True wealth isn't about spending more. It's about needing less. The climber who ignores distractions reaches the summit faster. Stay lean, stay focused. Let your lifestyle whisper while your assets roar. Stealth wealth loves quiet tools, index funds, ETFs, automated contributions. These vehicles don't make headlines, but they build empires. You don't need to trade daily or chase crypto hype. Silent investing means choosing simplicity and consistency. You set it, forget it, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. No drama, no noise, just quiet growth. The best part? No one sees it coming. While others stress over market swings, you're calmly stacking wealth behind the curtain. It's like dominoes falling in perfect rhythm. Slow, steady, unstoppable. Silent investing isn't boring, it's brilliant. It frees your time, protects your emotions, and builds wealth without fanfare. Choose vehicles that work quietly, Messiah, and let the results speak loudly. Want to be truly stealthy? Build income streams no one sees: rental income, royalties, digital products, dividend stocks. These flows happen quietly, often while you sleep. They don't require your presence or performance, they just work. Invisible income gives you leverage. It separates your time from your money, and because it's quiet, it doesn't attract attention. You're not bragging, you're building. Think of it like an underground stream, silent, consistent, nourishing your financial garden. The more streams you build, the more resilient you become. You don't rely on one job, one client, or one source. You diversify, you protect, you grow. Stealth wealth isn't just about hiding, it's about designing a life that runs smoothly even when no one's watching. Stealth wealth isn't flashy, it's boring, and that's the point. You master budgeting, automate savings, review investments, and optimize taxes. It's not sexy, it's not viral, but it works. Boring excellence means doing the basics better than anyone else. You don't chase trends, you build systems. You don't need excitement, you need results. The richest people often have the simplest routines. They repeat what works, they refine what matters. Think of it like a craftsman polishing a plain box. Inside is gold, but outside is humble. That's your financial life. Quiet, disciplined, powerful. Embrace the boring. It's where real wealth lives. Stealth wealth requires emotional mastery. You don't panic during downturns. You don't celebrate every gain. You stay calm, focused, detached. Money is a tool, not your identity. When you're emotionally reactive, you make impulsive decisions. You chase hype. You fear loss. But when you're detached, you act with clarity. You invest with logic. You spend with intention. You grow with peace. Think of yourself like a monk, centered, grounded, untouched by financial noise. The market can swing, the economy can shift, but your mindset stays firm. Emotional detachment isn't cold, it's powerful. It protects your wealth and your well-being. Stay calm, stay clear. Let others ride the roller coaster while you walk the quiet path. Stealth wealth is rooted in self-worth. You don't need validation. You don't need applause. You build a life that feels good, not looks good. That means choosing peace over prestige, freedom over fame. You design your days around what matters: family, health, purpose, not what impresses others. The richest life isn't the loudest, it's the most aligned. When you stop chasing approval, you start building real wealth. Emotional wealth, time wealth, purpose wealth. Think of it like walking through a forest alone. No audience, no spotlight, just quiet joy. That's the goal. A life so rich you don't need anyone to notice. Because you do. Stealth wealth isn't about hiding. It's about choosing freedom. You don't need to prove anything. You just need to build quietly, live wisely, and protect your peace. These 9 habits aren't just financial. They're transformational. They help you escape the noise, dodge the traps, and design a life that's truly yours. If this video resonated, drop a quiet brain in the comments. And if you're ready for the next level,